We know about the Lions Club, which is highly involved in public service in various ways. Now, I hand over the mic to sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Very good morning to everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais. We came from Lions organization to felicitate and giving a best wishes to the respected Lion Shamsundara Garu and Lion Lady Bhagilakshmi Madam Garu on this auspicious occasion of the 50 years Golden Jubilee celebration. Thank you. Please accept a small felicitation, sir. I'm inviting senior line member, Lion Shamsundara Garu. He is very senior most line, 51 years senior line member, and also Lion Lady Bhagilakshmi Madam Garu, who is the correspondent of this educational institution. Please give me a big clap. Thank you. And start. Congratulations, sir and madam. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity to felicitate the respected. So once again, our heartfelt greetings and best wishes and heartfelt congratulations to celebrate this grand occasion. And also not only Lions International Organization and the both sir and madam also giving their valuable services to Red Cross organization also. We both together serve many activities in through Red Cross organization. Madam and myself and